list is Mr. Bakıt Tentişef from Kyrgyzstan. You have the floor, sir. Dear Asu. And now, last but not least, speaker on my list is Mr. Bakıt Tentişef from Kyrgyzstan. You have the floor, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, dear colleagues and participants of the session. On behalf of Jogorku Kenish of the Kyrgyz Republic, I would like to express our gratitude to the Parliamentary Assembly of the Council of Europe for the invitation to participate and be present in the summer session. As you know, in 2014, Jogorku Kenish of the Kyrgyz Republic was granted the status of Partner for Democracy. We highly value and cherish this status. The experience and knowledge gained over these years have significantly increased the potential of the institution of parliamentarism in the country and strengthened us advocating to common values, human rights, democracy, and the rule of law. Let me emphasize that such problems as corruption, failure to respect human rights and freedom, as well as stagnation of democratic processes, are common challenges for all the Council of Europe member states. It is possible to cope with them only by joining the efforts. In the fight against corruption, the work continues to fully study the possible accession of the Kyrgyz Republic to the group of states against corruption. The freedom of the media in Kyrgyzstan is a matter of special pride of the country. There are no obstacles to their free registration and function, and there is no state censorship. In 2021, according to the freedom of speech rating of the International Organization Reporters Without Borders, Kyrgyzstan ranked 79th out of 115 countries and improved its rating by 19 places compared to 2018. We also continue to work towards accession to the Council of Europe's Open Conventions. We are currently party to the Lisbon Convention of 11 April 1997 on the recognition of qualifications concerning higher education in the European region. The Kyrgyz Republic has also submitted an application for accession to the Council of Europe Convention of the Transfer of Convicted Persons of March 21, 1983. The committees of ministers of the Council of Europe have considered the application of the Kyrgyz side, made a positive decision, and invited the Kyrgyz Republic to join this convention. We are also consulting with the Council of Europe with a view to acceding to the 1957 Council of Europe Conventions on extradition and on mutual legal assistance in criminal matters of 1959. The Kyrgyz Republic successfully cooperates with the Council of Europe in the framework of the Rule of Law program in Central Asia. We believe that through this program, we will be able to improve the life of our citizens and bring the basic indicators of human rights and the rule of law up to European and international standards. Taking all this into account, the Kyrgyz Republic is based primarily on democratic principles, and we consider it mutually interesting for our future cooperation within the framework of the status of Partner for Democracy of the Council of Europe, for the subsequent development of democracy, the rule of law, the fight against corruption, as well as protection of human rights and fundamental freedom in Kyrgyzstan. Once again, thank you all for the warm welcome, for the time provided, and for your attention.